In the video for today, I'm going to show you 5 possible reasons why WhatsApp may have banned your account in 2025. I'm going to show you how to appeal to WhatsApp so that you could unban your WhatsApp account and start using it again as you used to do before. This is actually going to be a video in which we're going to speak about problems and solution to this specific issue with WhatsApp. Let's get into the video for today. All of a sudden, one fine day, your WhatsApp account is banned and you actually don't know why. You think, I did not do anything wrong. Why has WhatsApp banned my account? I don't know. This is what you think. But these days, WhatsApp is not just with humans doing reviews and stuff like that. WhatsApp has also adapted, like many other social media platforms, AI tools to detect spam or fraud or whatever it is. And if they even suspect that your account is in that category, they're going to ban your account. Now, that's a huge thing for you because I'm sure you're used to WhatsApp and you want to unban it. Let's go ahead and analyze what may have been the problem. And I'm going to suggest the best possible solution for you, which has worked for thousands of people. So the first possible reason for your account to be banned is using unofficial third-party applications like GB WhatsApp or whatever third-party applications are there, like WhatsApp Plus or whatever. I don't know. I don't use those type of applications. First of all, it is unauthorized by WhatsApp, and secondly, it is not safe for your Android phone. If you install these type of applications, and these days we are able to install APKs directly from Google or Bing or wherever from the internet. If you install these APKs, it may contain Trojans or other things that could harm your phone. Your phone may get hacked and stuff like that. Second reason could be spamming and bulk messaging. So these days we are able to create WhatsApp channels and we are able to do promotions through WhatsApp for our maybe Instagram page and whatever it is, So we create a group in which we have like say 100 numbers added or 10,000 numbers or 20,000 numbers. We start bulk messaging in these groups regarding ourselves or promoting affiliate products and stuff like that. You're going to get banned. That's not allowed. Another reason that could have banned your WhatsApp account is promoting hate speech or selling illegal items and stuff like that. So if you're doing these things also, WhatsApp is going to detect it and ban your account immediately. Another interesting reason is user reports. Now, if you're keeping on messaging people, like in a day's time, you message like say 50 or 100 people. If out of 50 or 100 people, even if 40 people mark your account as junk or spam, if they report it, your account is going to get blocked. And apart from that, if you're using bulk messaging applications that are not approved by WhatsApp, you are going to get blocked. These are just few reasons why WhatsApp may just have blocked your account. All right, now, what is the solution to this? If you think you are innocent, you haven't done anything wrong, what is the solution that could actually reactivate or unban your WhatsApp account so that you could use it again? It's a very simple thing. When you have a problem with a specific person, you don't go ahead and speak to another person or a company, or you don't go to a police station straight away. What you do is you go straight to that person, try and talk it out with him or her to resolve the issue. You're going to do the same thing out here. Go to WhatsApp, try to appeal with them to resolve the issue. So what you're going to do is just go to whatsapp.com, the official website for WhatsApp. You could do this on your mobile phone also, your Android or Apple device, not a problem. It's the same thing. And you scroll right down to the bottom of the page and click on Contact Us. You get directed to this page. Click on Contact Us under WhatsApp support. You get directed to this page on which you could connect with WhatsApp directly or send them a message from your location. Put in your phone number after you select your country code. Put in your email address. Confirm it. Select an option out here. How do you use WhatsApp? Your Android phone or web or desktop, whatever it is. And then enter a message out here. Tell them straight, like just be honest and frank that your WhatsApp account was blocked. This is your number. You do not know why. You haven't done anything wrong. And if you have done anything wrong, please give you a one-time exception so that you could mend your ways, and you're not going to repeat it going further. Okay, so I have made a specific video on this topic, on how to appeal, how to communicate with WhatsApp, the link for which is in my description. This is the video on screen. Watch this video to learn how to communicate with WhatsApp, because this procedure in this video that I've shown you has worked for a lot of people, and many people have gotten their WhatsApp accounts unbanned. You could be the next one. Give it a try. If you need any further assistance, if you think I can help you with some suggestion or anything else related to the topic for today, please send me an email. I'll do my best to help you out. Take care, my friend.